Hi guys. So in last session, let's see what we learned and also go through the goals of this session. So we were able to create uh, create this file in Python. We were able to run a very basic code. We changed it. We introduced some bugs in it, and also we committed and uh, yeah, we found the logs and we went through the types of variables uh, and how it is stored and how it is used. Found very basic use cases of it. And in today's session, we will consolidate the weak skills by building a very small utility script that reads no complex input but uses folders, files, Python execution, and Git in one clean loop. So looks good. It is combining all the skills that we learned. So learning is not only about new syntax, real progress happens when small skills are used together. So we should know why Git is used, why VS Code, why we are learning different things and how they talk to each other. And real progress happens when small skills are used together, right? Today combines folder awareness, file creation, simple Python editing, running scripts, Git status, add commit. So this is how programming feels in practice and make many tiny reliable actions chain together. So use these as refresher, not deep study. So this we've studied, I think, a lot, and I'll not waste much time in it. And in the first two sessions, we went into details of Git, and today also we went into terminal basics. Yes, actually, yesterday also. So we more or less know now how the workflow fits, and I think uh, straight away we'll go to the hands-on. So but we have to go to the RTFS week 1, and let me do it. I will go to RTFS week 1. I think we are there, but still to check, we type PWD. Yeah, we are at the right location, and then we will create daily underscore banner py. So here we have to create a file, a Python file, banner.py. So if I type ls, it shows daily banner py. It also appears here. So we have created this file. Now we print road to full stack developer week 1, focus, foundation, and setup. So in this file, we print road to full stack developer, print week 1, print focus, foundations, and set. I press Command S and save this. Now run Python. So I run Python 3 the daily banner dot py. Yeah, it prints all the three correctly. Edit the focus line and rerun. So if I edit the focus file, focus foundation, I'll just say foundation and utility. and save it and run it again. It runs with the updated text. Optional extension, add one variable, focus is equal to foundation and setup, and print using. So if I add focus is equal to, is assigning foundation and utility setup, and I print focus comma focus. So let's see how this behaves. Yeah, it's the same. Now coming back to our hands-on sheet. So we created, we added this, we ran it, verified, added the focus line. What we have not done is git status, adding the commit file, and we can do it now. So we git add daily banner.py git status, new file that is added, git commit daily banner file added, week1 consolidation status. Yeah, so we did this. Now I come back here. So we created file, wrote code, ran, verified, get, yeah, committed, implementation, create a file that prints stream name, current week, today's focus, suggested output, row to focus. Okay. We had to save before I explain why I don't know to second debug print stream name without quotes. I think we have done this before. Use this mini loop. Git status, add week, commit, if setup nodes also change, include it, intentionally leave it for separate commit. So how is it different than yesterday? So enough skills exist to finish week one tiny script pack. I think similar, like there's no, I was expecting some for loop or some more complex, a little more complex code. This is just a print code, so not very useful as per me. I don't know why this is included, but what to do? We we go back again to this. So let's move on to the next. I think we still have some time. So this is, I think, day 8 and 9. So this is here we should be able to package the weeks running in tiny but clean week on output. Working script, readable notes, clean git history. Output matters because it proves learning happened. A week's work should be ending in something visible and rerunnable. Documentation is part of engineering. Not today is not about complexity. Making week one work usable and easy to revisit. So git log documentation. Let's understand if it's of any use. git log options revision range path by following parent link that are given by that is an example. This is a complex one. All list commit which are reachable from foo or bar but not from bars. This is wow. This is quite. It's just no log, and this is a whole long page about log. So yeah, let's see if it's of any use or it references it. User interface. We have done this. What you should notice. You now need less hand holding than day one, definitely. So go to week one foundation, run each of these if they exist. So all exist. Let's go to week one. Let's check if we are in week one. I type pwd. Yeah, we are at week one. I type ls. So it's said what are present. Python hello.py, greetings.py, variables underscore demo.py, daily banner.py. So hello.py is there. So Python 3 hello.py, hello from day 5. That was the day 5 one. Python 3 greetings.py, hello from road to full stack journey. Python 3 variables underscore demo.py, go to project and day. Python 3 daily underscore banner.py, go to full stack week one focus foundation and utilities. So I have run 4 Python files and I have to append in the setup notes that end of week one completed, learned VS Code, terminal basics, first Python scripts and git basics. I save this, then I run git status. So setup notes is modified. Git add git status. So the modified one is added to staging area. Now I commit and week one foundation status git log 1 line. Week one foundation pack is the latest one added. Now moving back, what else we have to do? Success condition, weekend folder contains working scripts and readable notes, not half finished segments. Now, run all one by one. We did that. Inspect project structure. We did this. We updated setup notes. Used git log 19, review week's history. Ensure weekend scripts all run. Tidy file names if needed. Create setup notes into short week summary. Create final commit for the week. Check folder with PWD and is NLS. Check file and open files and look for obvious syntax material only that is not running everything at once. Isolate one problem at a time. We did this. Add space dot commit log one line. Went through this resource and yeah, so at end of week 1 we have a small set of working script, although it's very basic, it's just print. I don't know, there should be something more complex. Setup notes includes week summary, final week 1 commit, all is this. It will show readable sequence of progress. That is for sure. So the week 1 project bundle is complete. Environment terminal, first code and basic git is now established. So good feeling. I expected more from these last two sessions, but I'll just have to bear with it. Maybe if I have more understanding, I would know what else I need. But I expected a bit more complexity. But good feeling that I've finished the week 1 and able to remember some of the commands in CLI, so I'm able to commit or add or check the log or see PWD, LS. Those are very useful. So got into that habit. So all in all, a useful 7 days of curriculum. So thank you all for being here, and let's see what the next week has in store for us. Until then, take care. Bye bye.